So today we will going to learn about electric current and its effects. So current, what is current? When current passes through the electric component, it starts glowing. So electric components are fan, tube, bulb. So electric component. First is, what is this? This is electric cell, this is its positive terminal and this is its negative terminal. So current always flow from positive to negative, as current is flow of electric charge from positive terminal to negative terminal. So electric cell, this is its symbol, this is positive and this is negative. So second one is this. What is this? This is electric bulb. So it is having two terminals. First is this and another is this. When current passes through this, it starts glowing. First terminal is this and one terminal is attached to this and another terminal is attached to this. So second is electric bulb. So its symbol is this. Third is switch. What is this? This is switch. So this can be used as switch as it is made of steel, iron component. So when the switch is closed, the circuit is completed and current is passed through it, and when the switch is off, the circuit is open. This is on position and this is off. So fourth is wire. So what is this? This is wire and electric current is passed through this wire. This is a copper wire and PVC is coated to it, polyvinyl chloride. So it passes current. Symbol is this. Fifth is battery. Battery is a combination of two or more cells. When two or more cells are connected with each other, it is called as battery. So positive terminal, negative terminal of one cell is connected to the positive terminal on another side and so on. So this is the symbol of battery, positive, negative and positive, negative. So now electric circuit. So circuit diagram of electric circuit. This is cell, this is positive, negative. Current always flow from positive to negative. This is connected to a wire and then it is connected to bulb and then it is connected to the switch. When the switch is on, the circuit is completed, the current go from positive to negative, it completes the circuit and the bulb starts glowing. When the switch is off, the circuit is open, the current will not flow and the bulb will not glow. So let us now make the circuit. This is electric bulb, this is electric bulb, this is cell, this is wire and this is a switch. Now let us make a closed circuit and see how the bulb will glow. See, now the circuit is closed and the bulb is glowing.
दिखाई दे रहा जलता हुआ.
And now the circuit is open, the bulb will not glow. So now we will study about heating effects of electric current. When after 2-3 hours, when the bulb glows, after 2-3 hours, you switch it off and touch the bulb. What happens? What do you feel? It's hot? Yes, because of heating effects of electric current. So when a current passes through the electric wire, it gets heated after some time because of heating effects of electric current. So there are some electrical appliances like room heater, electric iron and geyser. So these show heating effects of electric current. So in all these appliances, one thing is present, a coil, which when electric current is present through them, they get heated. Like in room heater, you have seen there is a coil. It's become red hot when you switch it on. Because of this coil, this is called as element. Element is present in all these appliances. Heating effect depends upon the material used of the wire, the thickness of the wire and the length of the wire. So in factories you must have seen that there is thick wire, it sometimes become more thick, and because it, when large current passes through it, it melts and breaks. So how does a bulb glow? When electric current passes through the bulb, it gets heated to such a high temperature, filaments it get it to such a high temperature that it starts glowing. So there is a story of Akbar and Birbal. One day, Akbar announced that whosoever will stay for a night in the river will be awarded. So then a man came and said that, okay, Jahanpana, I will stay for a night. So that night Akbar could not sleep. So he watched that man and he realized that there is an electric bulb near to him, and he thinks that he gets heated from this electric bulb, and that is why he is staying in the river. So next day he denied that I will not give you any award because you get heat from the electric bulb. Birbal does not like this. So Birbal invited Akbar to his palace for the lunch of khichdi. So Birbal has put all the dal, rice, water in the kodai and put an electric bulb near to it and welcomed Akbar to the lunch. So what does Akbar say that what are you doing? Khichdi will never make because it needs fire. So Birbal said, sir, because that man can get heat from the electric bulb in the river, why can khichdi cannot be made? So Akbar realized his mistake and next day he has awarded that person. This is heating effects of electric current. Thank you.